Ah, che vuoi? Mi dispiace per me. Excuse me. Sorry for my friend. He forgets sometimes that we're not in Italy anymore. My name, most of you know me, is Matt Berkey. I am Mallory Berkey's older brother. Give her a clap right there. And we're here to talk to you today about our study abroad program and our experiences. The reason why I wanted to go study abroad is because I had 3.5 years of just working and going to school, which is fine for an okay college experience. But I was looking for something to remember college by. I had great teachers here, that's why I remember my high school days, giving clap for them too. But I wanted something I could look back at my college years and say, that was it. That was the time of my life. So one day, August 30th, I actually know the date, I started looking up programs, study abroad programs, and I found AIFS, which is American Institute for Foreign Study. And I signed up for it thinking, I'm never going to go. I'm never going to get the money. I'm never going to have the family support, and I'm just going to be too scared to go. But one thing led to another, and before I knew it, January 25th comes around, and I'm on a plane in Europe. And it was the best time of my life. We had a great time. And we'll explain more of that great time today, but right now I want to introduce you to Joseph Baggett, a.k.a. JoJo.
Yes, my name is Joe Baggett, Jojo, Joseph, whatever, and yes, I do speak English quite well. And I just wanted to tell you guys a little bit about my background, my experience, a little bit different than Matt's. I grew up in Denver, Colorado. Went to Green Mountain High School, a little bit bigger than this. I graduated with 363 students. Is that sort of like this school?
Yeah.
It's similar, it's similar. But after graduation, with my family, we decided to take a Europe trip. So we flew into Germany, Frankfurt, and Munich, beautiful places. We took a train through the Alps, went to Venice, and then took a train to Florence, and we finally ended our wonderful trip with my family in Rome. That's where I fell in love with it. I fell in love with the history of the